How to verify Rumble account on mobile. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can verify Rumble account on mobile. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, you need to head over to any of your browser. It can be Safari or Chrome. Here, I'm using Safari, so you need to simply go ahead and tap on your browser. And once you're here, you need to go to rumble.com and then you need to log into your account. Once you are logged in, you can see the hamburger-like option located in the top left corner of your screen. Simply go ahead and tap on that. From here, you can see an option that says account settings. You need to expand it, and once you have expanded it, you can see an option that says verification. Go ahead and tap on that. Once you have done that, as you can see that my account is not verified. In order to verify your account, you need to simply go ahead and add your phone number over here. Once you have done that, you can choose whether you want them to text you or call you. Here, I'll simply tap text me. And once you have done that, you will be sent a code to the mobile number you have entered before. As you can see that the code is now visible, you need to simply go ahead and tap on code. And now, as you can see that my phone number has been now verified. And that's it. You now know how to verify Rumble account on your mobile phone. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.